Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So I have another guys to explain or maybe to take you through. So I'm gonna talk about this it's kind of bold. It's called the Foxy Grow. So I've seen several withdrawals from different people, and I'm gonna do that with you guys. So this is the kind of okay. This guy, I've been seeing this guy promoting this particular um uh website, the Foxy Grow. So I've seen him withdraw. This one was yesterday. You can see. Well, let's go to the post itself. He posted this yesterday. Yeah, he posted this 23 hours ago. That was yesterday, right? So we're gonna go search for Foxy Grow to see what other people also say about it. Have they withdrawn? Are there other withdrawal proofs apart from that? So guys, before I do that, if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're on my channel or coming across my video. My name is Cynthia and you're all welcome. If you're a new subscriber, if you haven't subscribed and this is the first time you're watching me, kindly do subscribe. And for my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting and staying here. Okay, so I'm gonna type Foxy Boot. I've already typed it, so let me type it again when I was doing research on my own. So I normally do research before doing anything, guys. So this is different person posted about it 5 days ago. I'm looking for withdrawal proofs from different people. This is the same guy, posted it 6 days ago. He also did another withdrawal. You can see, so the minimum withdrawal is $2. You can see also January he did another withdrawal. So you can check this date. This was first 17th, this January 17, 2026. Let us see the other one he posted. Was it the same date? The same date, right? So it's like he's sharing. So let us check the 17th again. So the particular one you are checking, so this guy is like he withdrew. This one was on 17th January 2026, and this one he did a withdrawal on 20th. Today is, I don't know, today is which day? Let me check. Today is 21st. So he did a withdrawal yesterday and it came through, guys. You can see this one right here, right? So we've confirmed that is that. So let's check another person. This other person did a withdrawal. I don't know whether you can see. This is another person, different to the other one. He did withdrawal on 25th January. You can see this is a Nigerian. Okay. This other person, Jadi, I don't know whether it's a lady or a man. I'm doing this, guys, just to clarify that it works and they pay so that you too can see for yourself. Okay, so when you go there, you do what they want you to do, all the tasks they want you to do, and aim to reach the withdrawal goal and withdraw. Okay, that is why I'm doing all this analysis with you together. Okay, so you can see this other person withdrew. This was on 20th January. No, 6th January, he withdrew $10. Then this $3 was on, I don't see this. Let me expand, zoom it more. 6th January, then this one 6th January. He withdrew 2 times, and you can see was sent to his account. Yeah. So we see the other person too claiming to withdraw. This also Nigerian. This one. He withdrew on 28th January. The other withdrawal was 8th January. Okay. I see this other person's. Okay, other people are also talking about it, but I'm exactly looking for withdrawal. Those who are withdrawn. Okay, that is what I'm scrolling to look for. Like, yeah. So guys, we're gonna try this together. People have joined it, and people are claiming to withdraw. Oh, some can see this other guy to withdraw through by bits on when was this, on 5th January. The other person withdrew 20th yesterday, right? So it means that it is still working, it is still active, so we can go jump on it. We can try it. Yeah, we can try it, guys. This other person withdrew. So the withdrawal is the least you can withdraw is $2. Today. So how will we know the today which was that day? Stop kidding, mommy. Yeah, so guys, yeah, with those few proofs that you've seen, we can go ahead. This other person will do the withdrawal. When was this? First. Ouch. This one too was on fire. Submit withdraw. Okay, guys. So let us go to you. Tap on the link. So guys, I'm gonna put the link on the comment section and also on the video description. Okay, so if you tap on the link, it will direct you to your Telegram account. Ouch, it's gonna tell you to start. Then you're gonna see this one popping up. Okay, so they're gonna tell you pick language English. So they're gonna tell you to do the necessary to task. Why is this girl killing me this day? That's so bad of you, mommy. So I haven't done much because this is a new account. So every day you're gonna check in. They're gonna give you FG coin as they reward you in USDT too. And remember, withdrawal the least you can do is um 2 USDT. So you're gonna click on start the first task. You can go through the official guide. You can go bind your account must, that is must do. Then after that you start doing, so you can see everything you do. You're gonna see the amount of USDT and USDT and FG coin you're gonna get. Okay, so, yeah guys, you can see we have different tasks. So you're gonna perform all these tasks. You can see we have different tasks and you can see the rankings. Okay, ranking, we have people are busy. You can see me, I'm 600 because I'm new, and these are real people. You see, this is these are their Telegram names. You can see number one, number two. They cannot show all their full names. We have to put, they have to hide because of security purposes. Also, these are real people. They only show from number 1 to number 10. From task, these people have, this person has earned $200 or USDT from this person. I don't know whether these are the number of tasks are indicated here. So this is what they've earned from the task, and you can see. So we have start side and invite side. So you can share with your referral links with your friends. You can see the number of days this app has been running this bot. You can see the total task, total rewards that they've rewarded people. So you can see how many people have invited here, guys. So I think that is all you need to do and all you need to know. So you can see events, achievements, you can see all these things. So guys, that is that. I think I'm so clear, and these are the kind of tasks that you need to do. I know they are small, but they can build up to something. At least that $2 you can buy water. Yeah, because you know, when you have free time, I still have more things to come up with. And only that, everything I see that works, I will always share with you guys. That is why I do all these things. So keep on checking on my channel, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, turning the notification bell on. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video.